Okay, it's a beautiful day. It's lunchtime. I just come out fishing 1 hour. Yeah. So the fishing gear is the rod is Dewa. Chini dog, yeah, battle, yeah, Team Dewa. So nice rod, and reel is also is the same. Dewa exist 4000. So pin number 2 and leader is 20 pound and use Topwater. It's 20 gram. This one. It's nice one. So it's very hard in the lunchtime to try the Topwater. Yeah. Anyway, we just yeah practice. Okay. Let's try. Okay, I got the last salmon. Gosh, Topwater. Yeah, look at the big salmon. Looks beautiful. Nice salmon. Oh, nice. Thank you.